First you gotta get like that plastic off of it. That's how you know I ain't touched jack, like unboxing for real. You did. First thing you see. Bow, we open this mug. They show you the carrying case. I like that, you know what I'm saying? We get to the point. Cause I was like, how you gonna fit all that stuff in here? So they probably already have it packed in there, I'm guessing. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. The box is over. Cool little bag. I'm digging it. Got a little card on it. Whole bunch of stuff I don't know what they talking about. For real, for real. Oh, okay. No, you just gotta open it. It speaks to, you know, you got this translations. I guess this is just talking about what I ordered, for real. So you got that. I don't really care for that. Cool. Alright, check it out. Opening it. I'm gonna let y'all see two first, cause I'm like, ta-da. What's up in there? Okay. Oh, they got the drone already to the side. Here we go. Dang, that mug small as a joint. Dog. Oh, I mean, it's the Mini. Okay, that makes... this is my first DJI product, by the way. I didn't know. But okay, that makes sense. It's a Mini, right? Mini 2. Hey, it's small, but it's cool. Like, really handheld size. You could throw that joint. Like, anyway. Alright. Next. What we got? I ain't gonna lie, this mug kind of cool. Like, it's cool. Like, first thing you look at that joint, you like, hold up. Alright, this is my phone. This is the iPhone. What is this? This is the 11. Cause I'm like, okay, this is not the 12. It ain't the new one. This is the 11 X. The X. The little small joint. The little X. This mug, yo, my phone bigger than the. Yo. Phone bigger than it, dog. Okay, this is with the case. Maybe if I take the case off, that's a whole nother story, but that's a whole nother video. Anyway, check it out. That's cool. I ain't first impression. First impression matters. Okay, we got the little boring stuff. We got a little code on it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be gang to know what that means. It's a tough little sticker. Alright, I guess it's the manual and stuff, and unless you know how to work it. I guess I'll look at that like way later. Next, I think this is the charger. Yep, looks like we got the. Oh no! This the controller. This the controller, y'all. All right, I'm a little bit. Okay, the controller like way bigger than the drum. I sure thought that was the charger. Alright, check it out. I ain't gonna lie, like, you know, these glasses is cool, but I see all red, so. Dope. Got my trash over there. Alright, so we got the controller, y'all. That's what's up. That's what it look like. Real nice. Bigger than the drone. Way bigger. Yo, I thought this was the charger, like on everything. So where the charger at? Alright, we ain't got that part yet. Okay. This is the controller. This is what we working with. Bada bang, bada boom. Alright. Next. What we got? I'm guessing it's the charger. It's the charger. This is the charger. yeah, charger pack right there. I don't know what this is. I guess this goes with the charger. Yeah, I'll figure it out. See, this is what the manual for, but I like to figure it out. What we got next? Look like a little adapter, you know, for your wall and whatnot. It says DJI on it. Squad. You know how that cardboard sometimes be looking like something in there too. All right, and then we got another cord. Wait a minute. Okay. I guess that's the charger. Is that everything? All right. I think that is everything out of the box. Everything out of our nice looking bag. I'm not gonna remember how to put the stuff back, but best thing about recording it. Alright, boom. Let's check this stuff out. What we got here? Alright, forget the plastic. I don't really need the plastic. I was trying to be nice with the plastic, but you know, alright, boom. Alright, this is the charger. Oh, and I'm like, hold on, why y'all skeet me a battery? I'm guessing the other battery's in the drone. It look like they skeeted me up. Hold on, y'all. I'm having them up. See, this is the thing about this unboxing stuff. Y'all really get this like live. Like, how you even put the battery up in? I don't know how to work a DJI. I'm figuring it out. I don't want to break, Jack. Okay. Oh, we transforming. Okay, we transforming. Oh. Now what? Oh, what you do? Hold on, B. How you get the other legs to go up? Hold on. Do you push up? No, you supposed to go to the side. Dang. I'm a little confused, y'all. Okay. It says put this down. Okay, okay. So I don't know if you know that, but it look like you gotta put these other legs up first or something. Or maybe, I don't know. I gotta keep looking, y'all. It's my first time. Shoot. Okay. Rookie mistake, battery on the camera died. So, back to this drone. Yeah. So I got the joint open. One thing is like, I've seen from other videos though, it kind of weirds me out how there's no like feet on the back, how it kind of drags. Like, it just sit like that. Can y'all see that? It's a little weird. Propellers, they flimsy, you know? They flimsy and whatnot, but hey, like this, it's a beautiful piece of work. I ain't gonna lie, like this is light as a joint in my hand, like for real. This is really light, like it's small as a mug. Probably a little big because of the camera, but yo, the camera long. This mug is like this mug is small, like the size of my face. I guess you could say that. Big face ass nigga. Anyway, all right. So we got that. Oh, hold on, man. Cause the camera back, man. Wait a minute, where the battery at? That's what I was trying to figure out. Where the other battery at? Cause I feel skeety. Cause we got some paper right here. What does that say? Charge to activate the battery before first time use. Duh. What you thought I was gonna fly? I was just gonna fly it. I'm glad they said that. How you take this joint out? See, you don't even tell me how to take it out. I don't want to break. Oh, okay. See, I'm trying not to break nothing. You know what I'm saying? If it don't tug too easy, don't even force it. You know what I'm talking about? All right. So the ass comes out. This is kind of weird. They got some junk in the trunk. They put junk in the trunk. So they put the junk in the trunk. I mean, I guess that's normal. I had another drone. It did the same thing. I'm just being extra. All right. So take the battery out. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to go there. I'm not gonna go there. Somebody want to go there, but I ain't going there. Alright, so yeah. There's my third battery. So they ain't skeet me. Alright, so I guess first thing first, like they said, go ahead, charge the battery. I'm gonna put this joint right up in there. And then I guess I'm gonna try to figure out. Okay, so now these wires are starting to make sense. So I guess one of these wires go up in here so I can charge it. And they got the adapter. I don't know what this is for yet. Well, it just, maybe this is extra. It just seemed real extra, like, what I need that for? Oh, hold up, no. Okay, something, hold the phone. Literally, this is for the phone. Okay, I just peeped game. This is for your phone. Hold up. I'm a little worried because I don't see no side that can fit my phone port. I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to go. Bro, if I have to order a piece, I'm gonna be pissed. This ain't looking good. Yeah. So I don't see nothing that can fit the port of my iPhone. Hopefully, okay, let me open this joint before I get to judging and get to cussing. Right now I'm a little pissed. I thought they had something like this. Don't make no sense. I'm really confused right now. Do I have to order something extra, bro? If I have to order something extra, dude, like what in the world? I'm telling you, I'm trying to be cool. But this is like for real first reaction. Like, hold the phone, bro. I'm super confused right now. Super confused. How you work the controller, bro? Oh, I see the little things at the bottom. Okay. Yo, what am I supposed to do? Like, what in the world? Don't this must supposed to connect to my phone? They did not give me nothing for no iPhone. Am I tripping? Oh my goodness, bro. I'm super confused right now. Yo. I got the 600 pack and it ain't come with nothing for my phone, bruh. Hold the phone. I might be tripping, y'all. Maybe it's Bluetooth or something. It better be Bluetooth. Like, cause this is weird. But I'm pretty sure I remember seeing videos of Muzz and they had the little adapter for the iPhone. I don't even know how to pull this. Hold up, bro. I gotta figure it. Oh, snap. So it's turning on and shit. Hold up. I don't need you turning on. I don't need you turning on, bro. I don't need you turning on, bro. Hold on. Look, it's blinking, turning on. I'm over here touching stuff now. I'm being extra. Dang, B. Okay. That's how you make that come up. I wasn't trying to force it. What is this? Oh! It's right here. Oh my gosh. Bruh. I was keeping my cool on the camera, but I was gonna be cussing like a motherfucker. Like, what the? I'm about, all this shit, get off my, what? $600, you ain't got my what? Alright then. Shit. Bro, I was super confused. I'm like, I swear I seen on the other YouTube video they had this. I'm like, what? What is this? Who are they? Why? Like, I don't know what to use that for, but I'm like, I got the iPhone, bro. You telling me I gotta order another piece. I'm about to be mad. This is the crazy thing. I'm giving it to you live. You see me open plastic, all that. This is live. Anyway, alright, bet. Back to the video. Alright, y'all. I got all this stuff. I gotta try to figure out how to work this stuff. Obviously. Shoot, there's a lot of hidden stuff in hidden department. I got this thing blinking now. I don't even know how to turn it off. I gotta figure this stuff out, y'all, for real, for real. I'm guessing if you hold it down, maybe it'll turn off. Damn. It's blinking faster. Why you don't want to turn off, bruh? Okay, I hit it twice. Hit it twice fast. It said doo-doo-doo. This is why the manual stuff come in handy, but at the same time, I don't need none of that. I don't want to break this drone, though. I broke my last one. Last drone I had was a unique breeze. Flew that mug into the wall, but at the same time, it was the breeze's fault. And that's a whole nother video. But it's the breeze's fault. That's why they don't make them no more. So yeah, like I said, I guess I'm gonna get to it. First thing first, though, I guess you gotta charge the you gotta charge these. So how you do that? Let me figure it out. I'm guessing that's what one of these go for. Oh, okay. No, this makes sense. Duh. This makes sense. Right here. Alright. Bow. Oh, you got the plastic. You got the plastic on the adapter too. That must be so clear. You don't even be knowing. You don't even be knowing that joint is on there. Alright. Bada bang, bada boom. And then I'm pretty sure this goes hither. Okay. Now we're gonna get this charged, and then hopefully we're gonna get out here and fly this mug today.